Mia and the Cloud Castle. One day, Mia looked up at the clouds and saw a beautiful castle. She imagined living there, surrounded by fluffy clouds and sunshine. Suddenly, a soft breeze blew and she felt herself lifted off the ground. Mia gasped with excitement as she floated toward the castle. When she landed, she was greeted by friendly cloud creatures who invited her inside. The castle was filled with shimmering lights and laughter. Mia played games with the cloud creatures and explored the magical rooms. They had a tea party with cloud-shaped cookies and lemonade. Mia felt so happy, but soon she realized it was time to go home. The cloud creatures gave her a fluffy cloud as a gift and said, "Whenever you feel sad, just think of us." Mia thanked them and floated back down to her backyard. She held the cloud tightly, knowing she could always return to her dream castle in her heart. From then on, whenever she saw clouds, she smiled, remembering her magical adventure. Mia learned that imagination could take her anywhere, and that happiness is found in our dreams.